Consumer credit is a type of loan nga gina-offer sa mga tawo or businesses kung kulang sila og kwarta to buy their needs. For example, if ganahan ka mo palit og cellphone or laptop pero wala kay enough budget, you can borrow from a bank or a lending company. You will pay it little by little every month. Kana nga pamaagi nga payment gitawag og installment. Each payment includes the money you borrowed, called the principal, and a small extra charge called interest. If mobayad ka sa parehas nga amount every month hangtod mahuman ang imong utang, gitawag ni siya og amortization. So, in other words, consumer credit helps people buy what they need now and pay for it slowly over time. So there are two types of installment loans. The first one is closed-end credit. Kini nga type sa loan kay naay fixed amount nga imong giutang. Og imo siyang bayaran in equal payments for a specific time. For example, kung muutang ka og 10,000 o mubayad kag 1,000 every month for 10 months, that's closed-end credit. The second is open-end credit. Kini nga type of installment loan kay walay fixed amount or set number of payment. Pwede ka mangutang balik basta naa pa kay available credit limit. Og mobayad lang ka regularly hangtod mahuman nimo. Example ani kay credit card. Pwede nimo siya gamiton anytime ug bayaran og hinay-hinay. So, closed-end credit has fixed loan and fixed payment, while open-end credit allows flexible borrowing and payments. In a loan transaction, there are four factors we need to consider. The first is cash price. Mao ni ang presyong sa item kung bayaran nimo siya at all once or in full at the time of purchase. For example, ganahan ka mo palit og cellphone dayon imo siyang bayaran sa iyang exact price, that's the cash price. Second is down payment. Mao ni ang partial or initial payment nga imong ihatag sa pagsugod sa loan. It's like your first payment before getting the item. Third is amount finance. Kini ang total amount nga imong giutang or giloan gikan sa lending company para mabayaran ang kulang nga balance after sa down payment. And lastly, installment price. Mao ni ang total amount nga imong mabayaran kung humana na ang tanang installment. Apil na diri ang tanang monthly payments, interest ug ang imong down payment. When applying for a loan, lenders use the 5 C's of credit to check if a person or business is qualified or trustworthy to borrow money. The first is character. Character, this is about your reputation as a borrower. Tan-awon sa lender if responsible ba ka or naa kay good credit history, experience ug maayo ba ka mo handle sa kwarta. If you had a good record, you have a big chance na ma-approve ang imong loan. Second is capacity. This means your ability to pay. The lender check your income like job or business kung makabayad ba ka sa imong utang. So in short, tan-awon nila kung naa ba kay capacity na or capable ba ka nga makabayad sa imong utang. The third is capital. So capital, this refers to the money or assets you already have. Kung naa kay savings or investment, it shows that you are financially responsible and stable. 4 is collateral. This collateral means ang property or assets nga imong ihatag sa security for the loan. Example, imong sakyanan or balay. If you can pay, the lender can take the collateral payment. And lastly, the condition. Mao ni ang terms of the loan ug ang current situation as borrower. The lender checks the purpose of the loan and the state of the economy kung maayo ba ang timing sa pag-loan. So, the 5 C's of credit helps leader know if a person is capable, responsible, and ready to handle a loan. Consumer loans are loans given to individuals or retail customers, not businesses. Similar ni siya sa business loans pero ang difference kay nakafocus ni siya sa needs o lifestyle sa mga ordinaryong tao. So, in the Philippines, there are different types of consumer loans. The first one is housing or mortgage loan. So, this type of loans ang pinaka-common nga loan because it can help people buy a new house, lot, or condominium. Usually, the bank only lends 60% to 90% of the total price, and the borrower pays the rest of a down payment. The loan term is about 10 to 30 years. Pwede po ninyo siya gamiton for house construction or renovation. The second is auto or car loan. Kini nga loan kay para sa pagpalit og bag-ong sakyanan or even second-hand car. The payment term is shorter, around 3 to 5 years. Ang interest rate mas taas kung second-hand car tungod kay mas lower ang value. The third is salary or personal loan. Kini para sa mga employed individuals, ang collateral ani kay ang employment contract. Usually, banks partner with companies to offer this kind of loan. The term is shorter from 1 to 3 years.